So it's been a few days since our sea monkeys hatched. We see a few swimming around in there. Today I'm going to feed them, aerate the tank, and also top it off. The one thing I realized is that this tank evaporates a little faster than some of the other sea monkey tanks. One, because the volume is bigger, and two, it has no lid. So first things first, here's our packet number 3. Just going to feed 1 scoop. Gonna aerate the tank. And we're gonna add some water as well. About 2 inches from the top is what we're looking for. Wow, that evaporated a lot, huh? And now let's take a closer look, see what we find. And just a quick update on my Magiquarium. Looks like there's still a lot of sea monkeys in here, but they're still not growing to adults. So I'm not sure if their growth is stunted or if, they die and I'm only seeing the babies. But this tank's reaching up to a year. Our sea monkeys on Mars are still doing great. Got a few adults and some babies, and it looks like it's a nice healthy colony. Also, I was not having any luck with my Ocean-Volcano. Nothing was really hatching. I had a few babies in the beginning, but I ended up draining the tank and just kind of discarding everything.